Hello, wonderful friends. It's me, your money friend Funds. And today we're going on a super fun adventure to learn all about money and how it helps our families. Are you ready? Let's get started. Money is like magic in our families. It helps us get all the things we need and the things we want, like toys and snacks. Now, make sure you never forget this. Some things are things we really need, like yummy food and cozy clothes. And some things are things we really want, like cool toys. But remember, we should always take care of our needs first. Families use money to buy delicious groceries like fruits, colorful vegetables, and tasty snacks. We go to a special place called a grocery store to get all these yummy things. Families also use money to pay for their homes and important stuff like water and lights. We call these important things bills. Have you ever wondered where money comes from? Well, it comes from a job that parents work really hard at. That is how they make sure you have everything you need and want. Our families create shopping lists all the time. It's your turn to be a shopping superstar. Grab some paper and colorful crayons. Draw or write down all the amazing things you'd like to buy. Be as creative as you can. What's next, you ask? Well, after our shopping adventure, we'll talk about spending our money wisely. It's like being a money superhero and making really smart choices with our money. You're doing awesome, friends. See you next time.